everyone, it's Lynn here. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm popping on to do the draw for my mini Miura card, which I shared with you 3 weeks ago. And at the end of my video, I announced I would give the card away if you left me a comment. So I will just remind you what the card looked like. So it was this card here. So this just pulls off like so, and then that reveals your lovely mini Miura folded card. And there on the back you could write a verse or pop your message onto the back of the card. And yeah, that is the little card there. So there was 5 people who entered my giveaway, and they were Alex, Sultana, Andrea, Kaylee and Ashley. So here we go. Good luck, everyone. And the winner is Andrea, the Cumbrian Crafter. So well done, Andrea. And thank you to everyone who has entered my little giveaway. And that is it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take care. See you all soon. And bye-bye for now.